super excited. Maiden voyage here.
What was that?
Just got hit the frame of the trailer. Yes, it's not as long as the GTX. She floats. First time in the water. The other one on. His and hers jet skis now.
Just gotta love that purple. Look at this nice stick I found. Stop.
That looks so good too, right? Okay guys, here at the lake here. Well, I got both these machines in the water. Look how good they look. Blast from the past, 1992. These things look amazing. I'm gonna get on this one right away and test it out. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, she's diffy. She's not feeling much water. Pretty good. Diffy. The way I like it.
Come on, Zoe. Come on. Put your life jacket on immediately. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. I am not a good cameraman, guys. I'm sorry.
It works. A few adjustments to make, I think. Throttle seems like that weird, but a few adjustments of it, but it's running. You want to go for a little tour of the lake?
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I have my boating license.
I thought you could go for a little bit of a ride.
We can go on that one, yeah.
What's that?
We can go on this one.
All together?
Yeah.
Okay. Not running exactly right, that's for damn sure. But I think it's still got a little bit of the oil left in it from the being winterized. I think. I'm not entirely sure.
Did you stop and get oil?
Yeah, I did. It's fun though. It's completely different. It just needs a bit of fine tuning. Looks like these lines are really like. Oh yeah, there's like a pressure there or something. Looks weird. These are really hard. I wonder why that would be. Feels like, especially that one. Feels like it's gonna like burst or something. Okay guys, UOttawaScotty here. Not the outcome that I wanted for sure, but she did run for a little bit and then I couldn't get her started. But at least that gives me some clues as to where to go from here. So anyways, I'm confident that I'm going to get this machine going nice. So stay tuned to the channel, and hopefully next time you see a video with the 92 XP on the water, she'll be running strong. So it should be a kind of a fun time figuring out what's wrong with her too. But anyway, she did run for a few minutes. I have an idea. I think I know what's going on here, but stay tuned to the channel. We'll figure it out together. Those are way better.
Right up my boobs, aren't you?
No. Dude, they're all here. Here, I'll give you these goggles. Come here. Here, check these goggles out. Here. But these are good. There's real...